I'm Channa Wijesekara, Chairman of Leema Creations Private Limited. I am also the President of Wood-Based Industries Association of Sri Lanka and Chairman of the Advisory Committee on Wood Industry to Ministry of Industries. So, I have been to this place, this exhibition from 2006, and every once in 2 years, every exhibition I visited except for one exhibition. So I see a lot of progress, development regarding the technological advancement taking around the world. And first, of course, during 2006, we just visited and make ourselves aware about what is going on. Then we have realized a lot of changes takes place in developing machinery, equipment, technology, everything developing. And when we see these things, we can come into conclusions what sort of machines to be imported, what sort of material to be used, and that sort of technical input. Because of that input, we have developed tremendously. Not only myself and my company, but almost all the Sri Lankan wood industries benefited from this association. I am grateful to organizers of this exhibition for conducting this exhibition for a long period, enabling us to get into the deeper knowledge regarding the activities or developments in the world. So I am grateful to exhibition organizers. Say the relationship between India and Sri Lanka has developed tremendously during Mr. Modi's period. And now even we have signed the free trade agreement, which definitely will enhance the business between us. And this actually helped us to develop, and we are into interior solution providing and also furniture manufacturing. So because of this visit, I have developed our industry, and my colleagues in the industry also developed their industries, and we can even now cater to international standards. So I am grateful to the organizers of INDIAWOOD for their continuous capability of organizing this massive event, and I am grateful to organizers of this exhibition.